Decided to come out here to Oak Mountain. Got my young protege over there.
That will be me.
But no, seriously, Levon, this pretty much, he didn't put his stake on Oak Mountain State Park, man. He here every day, you know. Backyard. So, out here on Lunker Lake. Not another soul in sight on this side. We saw one lady on a kayak and a couple folks swimming with their kids at the put in, but other than that, it's a ghost town. It's one good thing about coming during the week. Have it all to yourself. One of my favorite little spots out here. You can come out and paddle through a little channel around this little island. It really shows, man. You don't need a huge lake or a river to really get out and have you a nice paddle. You know, it's a tiny little lake. You just come out and have a fantastic time. Fantastic time. Man, can't beat the sunset. Can't beat it one bit. Now, I appreciate you watching, coming out here to join me, buddy, on a nice little evening paddle. I appreciate you liking the video, subscribing. Just a lot of nice, cool places on the water. I appreciate you.